Hello students, welcome to KlassPM. In today's class we are going to discuss about another important phenomena in the NMR spectroscopy, that is precision, or you can call it as gyration also. What is precision or gyration? So before we are going to discuss about, you first watch this video and keep in your mind what you have observed while that bangle is rotating. I hope you have cleanly observed that the rotation of a bangle. When the bangle is rotating, when the moment is slow, this is the bangle, it is making a circular rotation. When it becoming slow, you have observed, I think, this kind of thing. This is a normal rotation. It is rotating like this based on one particular point. See, for example, this is a bangle. It is continuously rotating. While it is rotating like this, there is a one particular axis that is called rotational axis. It is rotating on those rotational axis. But if you observe that rotational axis, when the rotation becomes slowly, you will observe this one. See, observe, this is the rotational axis. Here the bangle is there. Here the bangle. Imagine there is a bangle like this. Now it is continuously rotating like this along with this. Imagine here it is a bangle and this is going through the center of the bangle. We call it as rotational axis. Now it is rotating like this. Bangle is rotating like this. Along with bangle, it is rotating like this. Yeah, you can see here, this is a bangle. It is you observe that it is continuously rotating like this. While rotating here, there is a axis like this. It is rotating through this axis. This axis is static. But when the rotation becomes slowly, what's happening here? What's happened to this bangle? It is rotating like this. It is, see, this way it is rotating. Earlier, when the rotation is very fast, it was rotating on its own axis only. But when the rotation becomes slowly, the movement becomes slowly, what happened? It has a rotation like this. Then suddenly it falls at one, completely the force will become, energy becomes zero. But before that, it is rotating like this. When it is becoming rotations like this, that is called what? Precision of nucleus. Nucleus also make the precisions like that. Now observe here, when it is rotating like this, the rotational axis also static. This point we call it as pivot. That pivot is constant. But when it is making rotations like this, see what's happening here? When it is making rotations like this, when it is becoming slowly, this point, observe this point, it is also moving. Now imagine the video you have seen. This is what you can see that. What you observe is this axis is making a circular rotation above when the nucleus is making precision. Like this, it is making this axis through which the magnetic field it is indicating. This is indicating the magnetic field north and south. That this axis is making a circular rotation when the motion becomes slowly. This circular motion is having, what is having? When the axis is going in this direction, it is making, like this axis is making rotation like this. This bangle, this axis is making a rotation like this. Here it is making a circular rotation it is making. See here, when this is a magnetic field is making a circular rotation like this. Here you can observe it is making a circle. The changing magnetic field, this changing magnetic field is having some frequency, that there is a change in the frequency also. That frequency is called Larmor's frequency. Larmor frequency. Here, what is Larmor frequency? When nucleus is undergoing precision, the nucleus rotational axis makes circular motion. Due to that, the magnetic field continuously changes, its frequency changes. That frequency is called Larmor's frequency. When the Larmor frequency matches with the external magnetic, when this changing Larmor frequency matches with the electromagnetic radiations frequency, then that nucleus absorbs the energy and goes to higher energy level. That is from +1 to -1 or +off to -off, like higher energy level it will go. It will flip. I hope you understood. Okay. Once again I am summarizing this one. What is precision? When the rotation motion, the spin of a nucleus becomes slow, what happens? It undergoes precision. In that case, the rotational axis will make a circular motion. Due to this, the magnetic field continuously changes. This changing frequency of the magnetic field is called Larmor frequency. When the Larmor frequency matches with the electromagnetic radiations frequency, then nucleus absorbs the energy and it will flip. into whatever inclination. It can be to plus off, or it can be to minus off, or it can be to whatever thing.